Okay guys, I'm going to 3 rides and Falgas for our engine. Moved. Yeah, the reason why I'm doing 3 rides and Falgas for our truck, because they moved it. So, I might need a track mode for it first, before we start. Yeah, I tried to do 7 rides on chase, but it wouldn't let me. So that's why I'm trying to do 3 rides and Falgas for our engine today. You're just going to get your track sound first. If it has one. Just wait. Just wait a minute. It does have one.
Hello, do you want to have a ride?
Yes, please. Yes, please, with 3 rides, thank you very much. Yep. Yeah, it works. People else are going to free.
Get ready, we're
I'm not going to free goods on it. Oh, are you kidding me? Every time I try this, it wouldn't let me. What's going on with these night readers? Not much up today, to be honest. What is going on? I guess it doesn't allow me to do 2 times 3 rides. I don't know. Oh, there we go. It now likes me. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna get off the rides. You know, it was a very hard struggle there, but I managed to get it working. Yeah, thank God for that. I can transform as a trap mode over there. Even as a music. So I'm glad. This time it does nothing, by the way. Yeah, you're gonna have to hold that down, apparently. I don't know why they do the same sound events. It's ridiculous. The music's quite catchy, if I'm honest. Yeah, that flashes when it's in motion, I believe. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Go. There we go. Yeah, I'm not going to be pressing any buttons. Yeah, unfortunately that was a very hard struggle. But I managed to get it working, apparently. I don't know what was the problem, but apparently that was a really hard struggle there. Yeah, the chase over there. May not be pressing any buttons. Yes. And that's the right anatomic code down there. That's the steering wheels. Before I end this video, I just want to show you the Falgas code, if it has one. For the ones we might not see. It's their Falgas code. It might not have one. Let me just check. I believe that's the Falgas code, if it focuses. So yeah, that was 3 watts of Falgas fire engine being moved in widescreen.